Are you facing the same problem? No. My watch is not broken. My watch is working perfectly. But my time management skill is not working perfectly. Are you having the same problem? Then this video is for you. So here I am with you to share a perfect timetable. Maybe the perfect was is not so justified, right? So I can say that best timetable is for you. You have clicked the right video. So what should be your timetable? Stop making excuses and think about it. How many hours we have in a day? That is 24 hours, right? How many hours do you need for your sleep cycle? That is 7 to 8 hours. I am assuming 8 hours. Don't stretch your sleep cycle beyond 8 hours. Okay, being a student, your 7 to 8 hours sleep cycle is more than enough. So don't stretch and don't be sleepy over 8 hours in a day. So here, if we are assuming that you need 8 hours of sleep, right? Then how many hours is left? 24 minus 8 hours. That is 16 hours in your hand. If I am assuming that you have to study 10 to 12 hours, if you are consistent, then you may not need that 10 to 12 hours and more than that. This 8 to 10 hours will be sufficient. But you have a working student, or you have a lots of work, you have exam coming on, then you need 10 hours of study. Then if I will deduct this 10 hours or 12 hours from 16 hours, then how many hours is left? That is 4 to 6 hours is left for your own work, in your personal work. You can spend the time with your friends, you can accomplish your work with everyone. So just think about it. Just time management skill is important to learn the time utilization. Don't waste your time. If you have the social media addiction, if you want to spend your time with your friends, then think about it. You have the main chunk of the day for your study, except your sleep cycle. Then you have 4 to 6 hours to spend. Then you can add this 1 to 2 hours for your social media, for your friends, for your colleagues, and lots of works. Yes, I do that. I am the same person who was suffering from this problem, that is time management. But now I have grabbed this option and I have break down this whole 24 hours. I break down this 24 hours into this 3 chunk, and it is very much efficient for me to accomplish all my works. I think it will work for you. Don't make or break the chunk like this, like stupid things, like don't think that 2 hours for this, 2 hours for that. No matter whether you are a morning person or a night person. Now you are maybe wondering with the question of every student, that should I be late riser or should I be early riser? See, extreme late riser and extreme early riser, it's not the good thing. Extreme word won't work for you. If you want to be late riser, then it can be okay for as per your lifestyle. Means if you are having your late class, if you are having your late exam schedule, then you may make your schedule like this. But if you think that you have to go early in the morning, you have to leave your home, you have to make your breakfast for your college, you have to make the lunch for your college, don't skip all these things, because it is also necessary. We will learn it for our lifestyle videos next one. So if you want to have a good time management skill, then don't go with this extreme word. That means don't stretch your schedule like 2 a.m., 3 a.m. at the night, and don't rush to be wake up in the too early in the morning, like 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. Maybe this schedule won't work for you for a longer period. So be practical and set your timetable, fix your bedtime, and make this bedtime and your wake up time is fixed. Like you can do this for 11 and 6, you can do this 12 or 7. Just make sure ki 7 to 8 hours sleep is in your schedule. So this video is for you who are suffering a lot, who are searching here and there for a good timetable. So don't follow others' timetable, because they are facing their own lifestyle and they are making their to-do or the time schedule as per their convenience. But make sure that you are having your own time management skill. Just break this day into this chunk and follow this accordingly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.